Jai Srimanarayana. 27th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prasanta manasam hi yenam yoginam सुखम उत्तमम उपैति शांतरजसम ब्रह्मभूतम अकल्मषम् ओम। Peace of mind comes to you when you fix your mind constantly on the self, Atma. With that constant meditation upon Atma, all the sins will be completely purged and all the rajogunam will be completely removed. It comes to a peaceful mode. Then you will constantly enjoy supreme bliss. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma seriously asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall fix my mind constantly on the meditation upon myself, that is Atma. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments. And I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 6th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Daksha Prajapati praying Sriman Narayana with Hamsa Guhya Stotram from that 8th slokam. Yasmin Yato Yena Cha Yasya Yasmai Yadyo Yadha Kurute Karyate Cha Paravaresham Paramam Prak Prasiddham Tad Brahma Tadhetuhu Ananyadekam Yasmin Yato Yena Cha Yasya Yasmai Yadyo Yadha Kurute Karyate Cha Paravaresham Paramam Prak Prasiddham Tad Brahma Tadhetuhu Ananyadekam. O Sriman Narayana, for this entire Srishti, you are the shelter. You are the supreme shelter. O Sriman Narayana, this entire universe belongs to you. O Sriman Narayana, everything should be dedicated to you. O Sriman Narayana, for every being, living being, you should be the ultimate goal. You are the ultimate goal. O Sriman Narayana, you are the doer of this Srishti. You are the ultimate cause for this entire Srishti. O Sriman Narayana, I do namaskaram to you. Like that, Daksha Prajapati praying. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 27th sloka. Prashanta Manasam Hyenam Yoginam Sukhamuttamam Upaiti Santa Rajasam Brahma Bhuta Makalmasham. Prashanta Manasam Hyenam Yoginam Sukhamuttamam Upaiti Santa Rajasam Brahma Bhuta Makalmasham. Sriman Narayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.